So generally, canola, historically, the rule book says sow canola 2 to 3 centimetres deep. But I suppose we've had a real increase in hybrid varieties, so generally they have bigger seeds. So we're looking at probably 5 to 6 grams per thousand seeds compared to, say, 3 grams per thousand seeds, so that they're nearly up to 100% bigger seed. So we're just seeing that offers an opportunity to put that seed in a little bit deeper when there is moisture down a bit deeper. So when a rain might have occurred, say 6 or 7 weeks ago, and there's still a bit of moisture down deep, even though the top surface is dry, we just want to look at trying to take a sowing opportunity with that. So yeah, it was the development of hybrid seed probably led to this work starting, I suppose. So the main thing I hope is that it will help to actually get canola established on time. We know that canola established in, say, middle to late April is best, but often that is just not possible, I suppose. But if we see that if we can sow canola a little bit deeper, we might have more opportunities to sow canola in that on-time sowing period. So it was pretty consistent across our trials that the larger the seed, the less the reduction in establishment as we went with deeper sowing. That it was consistent that we still got an establishment reduction from deep sowing, but not always a yield loss. So the magnitude of that establishment reduction was much less than the yield loss. So essentially, if it gave you an opportunity to sow early as opposed to sowing late, the effective sowing time is going to be greater than the effective establishment. And then those bigger seeded lines also had more vigour once they actually got up and going as well. And we separated it out a bit to see if it was actually due to that heterosis breeding advantage of hybrids or if it was just a large seed effect, and it just seemed to be that the bulk of the benefit seemed to be from large seed. There was a bit of a hybrid advantage, might have been, say, 30% of the benefit, but a lot of the advantage was just from large seed. So growers are often retaining canola seed now, and so it seems from what I've seen that if they screen to at least about 2 millimetres, that they'll get that larger type seed. So, and we know canola's a round seed, so even just small changes to a screen. So I've had growers ask a question of what's the difference between, say, 1.8 mil screen and a 2 mil screen. Being a sphere, it's actually a really big difference in the volume of seed. So a 10% change in the screen size is over a third change in the actual size of the seed that you actually get out of that.